What's up, guys? Welcome back to Redline Racing Garage. Today is the day we've been waiting for. Today we're going to be bringing in the SI into KTUNED headquarters, and they can finally start getting the work done on the SI. So we're going to be bringing that in today, later on. Right now I'm actually at the muffler shop with the QX56. As you can see, the muffler is kind of hanging over there. So I had a exhaust leak for a while, didn't really address it until it actually came off. So we got to get that all fixed up, and then once we do all that, then we can load up all the parts that we have collected for the SI, get the SI inside the trailer and head over to KTUNED headquarters. But first, also I gotta put the hood on the SI so they can mock up the where the hood exit's gonna come from. I want to take the slicks off and put my just regular rims and tires, and then once we do all that, then we'll load up the SI, and then we're gonna go into KTUNED headquarters, so stay tuned. Alright, so take a look, guys. This is what we're dealing with. So it just completely rusted out and cracked. So we gotta cut that piece off and then weld a new pipe. And then apparently I also have a leak where the catalytic converter is. So they're gonna be chopping off that flange and just adding a piece of pipe. These QX56, they are known for being really rusty, so we gotta get it undercoated as soon as possible. We're gonna have a lot more stuff falling down. Alright, got the pipe all welded in on this side. This one right here, all done, ready to go. So now we're heading home, and I'm gonna start putting the hood back on and getting the slicks off the SI, and just put some regular temporary rims and tires on, and then we're gonna load up the SI into the trailer. Alright, made it home. So first thing what I'm going to do is I'm gonna jack the car up, remove the slicks, and then put these stock RSX wheels on. And then after I do that, I'm gonna go and put the hood back on. So let's get into that. other side. All right, got the wheels on. Good to go. Now I'm gonna put the hood back on. Alright, got the hood on, so we're pretty much ready to go as for the car. So now I'm just gonna pretty much go and start loading up all the parts in the QX56 and then prep the trailer, get the straps ready, and then bring the SI in the trailer, strap it down, and we should be good to go. So let's do that. Okay, the SI is in the trailer, so got it in. Now we're gonna go and strap it down and we are off. Okay, got it all strapped down and we're ready to go. Alright guys, we made it here to KTUNED headquarters. We're gonna unstrap the car, unload it, and get it inside. Alright guys, take a look. We got it on the lift and we are ready to go. So tomorrow we're probably gonna get on it. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.